What's up, y'all? I'm Black Talent Sport. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for clicking on another one of my videos. I want to thank you guys for coming back, basically. I know it's been a while since I put out a video. In today's video, it's going to be a follow-up video to the sway bar link install video of the Stein Jager sway bar link video. But first, I want to remind you guys, if you haven't already, please smash that like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notified when I come out with the next video. It helps out the channel a lot. Greatly appreciate all you guys that decided to subscribe. Help me get to 1,000. That's my next goal. All right, so make sure you guys are subscribing. All right, so tight space, man. Jeez. All right, so basically, this is unfortunately going to have to be an update. I did purchase the Stein Jager sway bar links. They came, went to Brooklyn Motors to have them installed, and we were running into all types of problems, man. Apparently, the one that I ordered were too short. You know, when it's pretty much has an adjustable collar. You know, it goes in the link, the sway bar, and then it connects to the strut where the sway bar link would be. And that distance with the lift kit is longer than what I anticipated. So when we winded out the collar, we basically ran out of threads, or enough threads for me to drive around safely, because we did have just enough threads, like maybe 2 or 3 threads, but you know, Alex had to make the executive decision to advise me to not use it until I order a longer shaft, or threaded shaft, which I confess I haven't done yet. I'm about to do it. You know, I've been experiencing some apprehension and just, I don't know, man. Like, my gut is telling me don't worry about it, but then again, I don't want to have to deal with the problem of the bracket breaking. So I decided I'm going to buy it. I'm going to buy the new shaft, but I probably am going to wait to install it until the bracket breaks again. Or I don't know. You guys tell me. Let me know in the comments below, what is your opinion on what you think I should do. Leave it as it is, and if or when the Traxda bracket breaks, then I install it, or as soon as the new shaft comes, should I just go right ahead and install it to remove the bracket? Because right now the bracket, you know, it's still good. You know, I don't really like to be replacing things unless they're broken, but this bracket has broken before, so you know, it's almost like being on borrowed time, so to speak. So I'm sort of I'm just a little torn. So I'd appreciate you guys' input on what I should do. Let me know in the comments below what you think that I should do. All right, but that's it. You know, hopefully I would have thrown up some pictures and shown you everything on what it is at the moment. Alright, so that's basically going to be it. I'd like to ask if you guys would like to support the channel. You can do that through my Teespring listings, which you can find the link for that in my cover photo. And also, you can find that link in the description of this video, along with the Patreon link if you would just like to support the channel monetarily. You can do that there as well. Alright? That would help out with a lot of things, you know. Right now Bullet is not doing so well. I'm having quite a few issues, and I don't really have the funds at the moment. You know, the 2 major ones are the transmission and my turbos. Turbos are leaking. You know, they're on their way out. They lasted a long time, 100 and I'm at 158K, but you know, they've been giving me problems since about 156 or more, or earlier. So they're smoking like crazy, so I'm waiting on those until I can make those repairs, those major repairs. So right now I'm just, you know, making sure my oil level is right, making sure coolant level is right. But yeah, that's it. You know, I may or may not make videos about those two subjects. I don't really like to make those kind of videos. This just doesn't feel right to me. That's why I haven't really made a video also, because I don't have good news to say at the moment. You know, until I get the turbos and the transmission replaced, then I'll have some grounds for content other than, you know, my cat and mouse stuff. Oh, before I let you guys go, I do want to ask, what type of my content do you enjoy more? Do you like the project stuff, the DIY projects and upgrade stuff more, or do you like my cat and mouse stuff, cat and mouse POV, whatever, you know, me weaving through traffic and such, racing people? You like that type of content more? If you do, let me know in the comments below. Alright, so that's it. Well, that wraps up this video. I want to thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, remember to have a blessed day, and peace out.